We're taught to read, write, and count, so why not smell? Our nose is a wonderful detector, and no scientific detection instrument can surpass its amazing abilities. Where food is concerned, the sense of smell is often relegated to a role of commonplace food poisoning guard. Yet it possesses fabulous potential. People may become partly or fully anosmic, losing their sense of smell temporarily or permanently. But usually those who complain about having no smelling ability just have not had the opportunity to train it yet. You can practice your sense of smell at any age, and exploring the delights of wine tasting is a marvelous motivation. In our everyday life, we recognize fruit, flowers, or spices mostly with our eyes. A visual image is associated with an odor. Then once our mouth, a flavor, an aroma, even a sound, but sight is our dominant sense. To perceive exclusively an aroma, we need to practice blindly, so as to eliminate any visual perception, such as color or shape, and allow our sense of smell to take on its full dimension. Olfactory memories will thus become engraved in your mind. If, for instance, we have not memorized an olfactory impression of the saffron note, we are not able to recognize it spontaneously and name it. A nose, or wine taster, is someone who has built up a great olfactory memory thanks to careful attention and regular practice, and who can immediately summon up her olfactory memories. So here's an experiment. Settle down in a quiet room, free of any extraneous odor, such as tobacco or perfume. Open an aroma bottle at random and smell it. Concentrate on your olfactory perception. You detect an aroma. Do you recognize it? Can you name it? That's far more difficult. You cannot spontaneously put that name to your perception. Now let the thoughts and images come flooding into your mind, even some emotionally charged, hopefully memories tied to certain moments in your personal history. These are powerful. If the image summoned up in your olfactory memory does not bring the aroma's name to mind, though you feel you know it, then try to guess which family the scent belongs to. Is it fruity? Is it floral, vegetal, woody, spicy, animal, or toasty? This private research can also be shared with other people. Exchanges about how we perceive scents are always opportunities for sharing emotions. They're fun and pleasure. Listening to others may help you find the right answer, but be wary of giving into suggestion, into false assumptions. If you do not recognize the selected aroma, take a moment before you put it away to smell it again. Interiorize the perception. Memorize the outlines of its image, and then check the answer list. Continue with the few bottles, always blindly. We register scents the same way we learn a great poem or an amazing melody. What counts is more than the quality of your perceptions, than the quantity of the bottles smelled. We suggest you practice with about 10 bottles per session. There's no sense in training too long, as the nose will soon have its fill. Breaks are in order, as is regular training, for you to attain some level of mastery at this art. You will determine the length and frequency of practice sessions and methods best suited for you to make progress. As the exercise begins to feel far more familiar, you may want to try a different approach. Pick out a bottle randomly. Choose suggested aroma families. Select the aroma featured in the varieties, the vineyards, or the wines that you want to explore.